Hello, if you're someone who loves plantains and often find yourself with much more than you can eat at a time, or if you want to store them for when they are scarce, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to preserve your plantains so that they can last for several weeks without going bad. With my simple and easy to follow tips and hacks, you can enjoy your favorite all year round, as you're going to learn how to keep and store your plantains fresh. So let's get started. You can store both ripe and unripe plantains. The first tip is to always choose firm plantains when shopping for ripe plantains. Wash the plantains. Yes, feel free to do that. They will still remain intact. Just make sure you pat and wipe dry to eliminate all form of moisture. This has been washed and wiped dry. One way to preserve your plantains is by wrapping them in a paper. You can use a calendar, a newspaper, or an envelope. Then put them in a nylon bag. This method helps to absorb excess moisture and prevents the plantains from ripening too quickly. You can then place the nylon bag in the fridge, where they can last for up to 2 weeks or even more. Another way you can preserve your plantains is by wrapping them in a nylon bag and then placing them in the fridge. You can use Ziploc bags. This method also helps to prevent the plantains from being exposed to air and moisture, which can cause them to get spoiled quickly. The nylon bag helps to keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks and even more, because I do mine for more than 2 weeks. When I use this method, I double the nylon bag. If your ripe plantains ripen all at once, you can freeze them to extend their shelf life. Peel and slice them, then place them in a freezer-safe bag or container. I've done that method before, but I found out that it's better not to peel and slice before freezing. So the third method is by freezing just like this. Freezing as a whole plantain without peeling and without slicing. So once I'm ready to fry or use, I just bring it out of the freezer without thawing or without defreezing. Just peel and slice, and of course you make sure your oil or air fryer or oven is already hot to receive and welcome the frozen plantain. Ensure you check your plantains regularly for any sign of spoilage. If they start to turn brown or soft, probably because of shortage in power supply, then you know it's time to use them up. And that is it. With these tips and hacks, you can store and keep your plantains fresh and longer. Here are some additional tips and hacks to help you store and keep your plantains fresh. Avoid keeping plantains near fruits like apples and bananas and even pears. These fruits release ethylene gas, which can cause the plantains to ripen and spoil quickly. If this video has been helpful to you, clicking the subscribe button would mean a lot to me, as it gives me an indicator that I'm actually building an audience and also creating helpful content for them. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.